How to make money in comics collecting. Welcome to our guide on how to make money in comics collecting. Comics collecting can be a fun and rewarding hobby, but it can also be a profitable way to make money if you know what to look for. In this video, we'll share with you some tips and strategies for making money in comics collecting. Know your comics. The first thing you need to do is to know your comics. Do your research on what types of comics are popular and in demand. Look for comics that are highly sought after by collectors, such as first appearances of popular characters like Spider-Man or Batman, or key issues in popular story arcs. Check out online marketplaces like eBay and Amazon to get an idea of what these comics are selling for. Build your collection. Once you have identified the types of comics that are in demand, start building your collection. Look for comics in good condition, preferably still in their original packaging. Attend comic book conventions and local comic shops to find rare and valuable comics. You can also try networking with other collectors and dealers to find the comics you're looking for. Sell your collection. Once you have a collection of valuable comics, it's time to start selling them. Online marketplaces like eBay and Amazon are great places to sell your comics, but you can also try selling them on specialized comic collector websites or at comic book conventions. Make sure you price your comics competitively and accurately, and include high-quality photos and detailed descriptions of each item. Invest in your collection. If you're serious about making money from comics collecting, consider investing in your collection. Look for rare and valuable comics that are expected to increase in value over time. You can also invest in graded comics, which have been professionally graded for their condition and authenticity, making them more valuable to collectors. In conclusion, comics collecting can be a fun and profitable hobby. By knowing your comics, building your collection, and selling your comics at the right time and place, you can make money from your hobby. Remember to do your research, invest wisely, and have fun. Thanks for watching.